Hi, my name is Scott, and I am the group modeler for our group project. And today, Eric and I are putting together the first part of our tutorial of some basic modeling techniques. And throughout the tutorials, I will be showing how I put together the log cabin for our game. Okay, so here are the 5 items that you basically start with when you're doing 3D modeling. You have the torus, which is like a inner tube. You have a cylinder, a sphere, a square, and a flat plane. Keep in mind the flat plane is just a 2-dimensional plane. Each object is formed by what's called a mesh, or kind of a wireframe. And that's what the wireframes of a sphere looks like. There's 3 basic parts to every object, and the 3 basic parts are the edges, the vertices, and the faces. Taking these 3 parts of a mesh, or the 3 parts of an object, you'll be able to manipulate your item into the different shapes that you want for your objects. Some basic manipulation is scaling. Let's grab this front top face again, and we're going to scale it in so it's smaller. And then we'll take the bottom face and we'll scale it out. And some of the cool things you can do is you can scale it along specific axes, like we'll scale it along the x-axis only. And so it only goes along that axis. So XYZ axis. Rotating, and it kind of makes it rotates the one face that you have selected is what it rotates, and everything that it's attached to moves along with it. And extruding. So I'm going to hit E for extrude, and it just pulls out and makes a whole bunch of new faces. And I could keep doing that. As a matter of fact, I could extrude that, scale it down, extrude it again, scale it down, extrude it again, scale it up, and you start getting whatever kind of shapes that you want. Okay, so with these new concepts in mind, let's move on to the first steps that I use to build my log cabin.